Listen, I'm looking for someone important to me.
A girl?
No, it's my son. He's lost. And I've been gone for some time now. I need to know where to find him. And I need to make sure my boy is okay.
The reason I gathered you all here today is we have a Judas among us. As long as a traitor sits among us, truth does not exist here. So, who is it?